Scott Hardy, and welcome to my great guitar build-off entry for the kit build for 2023. This is my first attempt at doing the GGBO, and I figured it would just be kind of fun. So I'm not going to spout on too much here. We'll get with the building as soon as we can, but I wanted to say that I have built other guitars, and this is one that this is my most recent build, and it is a kit build also. But it turned out pretty good. Anyway, I call it Embers because it has the kind of, embery looking finish on it. So this is going to be a bit different for me. This build, I'm doing almost everything with hand tools, and I'm just making it up as I go along. I have a basic idea. I want to do a kind of a super strat kind of thing based on Ben Crow's 12-hour build, roughly, just the shape of the body. But beyond that, I mean, I'm using a cheap neck that I got, and I'm using scrap wood, or wood that I have around, and I'm just going to sculpt it as I go. I will see how it turns out. Anyway, I'm probably going to ask from time to time on input on what to do, so please feel free to comment on, any ideas that you might have. If you see something that you'd like me to do or you think I ought to do, then just let me know. Otherwise, let's just get to the build and the interesting stuff. I started the design by tracing my telly to get some idea of what it was supposed to look like. And then, this is my Kaler here. That's what I had, so that's what we're going to use. So this is what I came up with. It's sort of based on Ben's 12-hour build thing. Kind of a souped-up Stratocaster. I think it's going to look nice. The neck is one that I already had. I bought it at a garage sale. It was a cheapie, but seems pretty solid and straight. So that's what we're going to go with. I'm going to put in some kind of inlay on the headstock, and I'll put in a brass nut, and I may do something with those dots. I'd like to do some more inlay work, which I've never done before, but not sure what to do with them. If you have an idea, let me know in the comments. That'd be interesting to see. Here's the actual scale length and everything else. It's basically a Les Paul. It's kind of a narrow neck, I think. Seems like, but I think it'll play okay. I'm hoping. So yeah, here's a brass nut, reshape the headstock, I think, a little bit anyway. Headstock inlay, change dots, maybe clean out the truss rod hole. I'll show you that in a second. I think I've got some tuners to reuse. Here's the hole that needs a little bit of cleanup. Not super ugly, but could be better, eh? And here's some pots I think I can reuse, and some Bumblebee tuners. These are from some old Gibson. Actually, I have no idea where they came from. I just got them from somewhere. So that's all for episode 1. Stay tuned for episode 2, where you will see the woods I've chosen and the fun I have working with them, mostly with hand tools. Thanks for stopping by.